Introducing the Eureka Forbes Aquasure Water Purifier. The product measures 23.8 by 30 by 43 centimeters and weighs 4.7 kilograms. The purifier has a capacity of 7 liters. It comes with multi-stage purification technology including RO+UV+MTDS. It is designed to be sleek and compact and can be easily wall-mounted or placed on a countertop. This purifier is also equipped with an advanced TDS or taste regulator that can treat water with MTDS levels of up to 2000 ppm. It also has a long-lasting cartridge life of 6000 liter and smart LED indicators. This Eureka Forbes Aquaguard saves up to 60% water and has an energy-saving mode. The box includes one water purifier and one user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.